The iFlow knife gate valve is engineered with a sharp-edged stainless steel gate that cuts through thick media with minimal pressure drop. Available in wafer and lug types, with EPDM, PTFE, or metal seats, it provides bidirectional tight sealing and long service life. For country:
United Kingdom, UAE, Australia, Brazil, Mexico, and widely used in projects such as Milan Expo, Fiat Workshop, Shangri-La Hotel, Kerry Center, Petrobras, GE Workshop. Service, quality is our core competitiveness. To create value to customers is our greatest wealth. What can we do for you? How can we do better? We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.
If you are interested in our vowels, please visit our website for more details.